Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rayman in Brawlhalla. Rayman is a fantastic legend known for his unique gauntlet and axe weapons, offering a versatile playstyle. His signature attacks provide great options for controlling space and dealing significant damage. We'll cover his basic attacks and how they set up powerful combos, helping you master his moveset quickly. Get ready to unleash Rayman's full potential on the battlefield. Rayman's gauntlets are perfect for aggressive, close-quarters combat. Focus on using his neutral light and down light attacks to initiate fast, damaging strings. These moves are excellent for both ground and air engagements, allowing you to keep pressure on your opponents. Don't forget his gauntlet down air, which is a powerful spike that can secure early knockouts when your opponent is off the stage. Practice these to dominate up close. When wielding Rayman's axe, you gain access to powerful, high-damage attacks with impressive reach. The axe's downlight is a key move, launching opponents into the air for easy follow-up attacks and combos. His side light attack is also incredibly useful for approaching enemies and delivering solid knockback. This weapon is fantastic for controlling space and finishing off opponents with heavy hits. Master the axe to become a true force. Rayman's signature moves are essential for controlling the match. His gauntlet side signature covers a wide area, making it excellent for edge guarding and punishing recoveries. The axe down signature delivers a devastating ground pound with significant force, perfect for finishing off opponents. Combine these with basic combos, like a gauntlet neutral light into a side air, to consistently rack up damage and secure knockouts. These moves will elevate your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.